A leap of faith is all you need to kickstart your dreams. It's the view of a Jamaican chef living in Suriname who took a risk when he left his homeland to pursue his dreams. Kian Morgan has more in A Ray of Hope.
I believe food is an international language.
Infusing the Surinamese cuisine with the Jamaican flavors while learning and exploring a whole new country and culture. It's what 27-year-old Jamaican chef Anthony Dakers deems as his true purpose in life.
The Surinamese cuisine, it's amazing too. Popular dish like burna bono, it's like a version of Jamaican stew peas.
A path chosen by God, he believes, as initially cooking wasn't his first choice.
I wanted to do track and field, but in 2012, that career, it's lost because of a car accident. So cooking always in my blood.
Born in Kingston and raised in St. Thomas, the chef and supervisor at the Etembe Rainforest restaurant in Paramaribo, Suriname, says he's been cooking from a tender age.
From early as age 9, I used to always be in the kitchen with my mom. All when the food not tastes good, I'm always cooking.
His professional journey started about 7 years ago, cooking at a hotel. However, after a year, he resigned to work as a private chef. Then about a year and a half ago, he decided to take his skills international.
Decided to travel. I've never worked outside Jamaica before, so instead of wasting money, why not work in another country? And I wrote down so many countries, countries that my passport can take me. And let me tell you something, Jamaica passport is very powerful. I got some amazing opportunities, but I chose Suriname.
And the Surinamese welcomed him with open arms and an appetite.
They love the jerk chicken. I made jerk chicken for a customer and he came to me, was like, did I taste wine? Can I have the recipe? And in Jamaica, we love a jerk chicken with a red stripe beer. But in Suriname, they have a beer that's called parbo. And since I can't get red stripe beer here, I infuse parbo beer with the jerk chicken.
Despite not officially working until after a year, Anthony did not regret the risk he took to relocate. During his stay, he intends to learn and explore even more.
Opportunities don't come to you like that. You have to chase it. People say the sky's the limit. That's a lie. There's something else beyond the sky. Go for it.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.